Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to find communities on Facebook. Here are the steps to find communities or groups in Facebook. First, open the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in with your account. Tap the menu icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Groups. This opens the Groups section where you can explore, join, or manage communities. Tap Discover or Suggested. Facebook will show recommended groups based on your interest and activity. Use the search bar. Tap the search icon and enter keywords related to your interest. For example, travel, freelance jobs, or K-pop. Then hit the search icon. Browse group results. Scroll through the list of available groups and review the titles, member counts, and privacy settings, like public or private. Tap on the group. Open the group to read its description, view recent posts, and check the rules. Tap Join Group. If the group interests you, tap the Join button. Some groups may ask you to answer questions or agree to rules. Now hit View Group. Wait for approval. For private groups, wait for an admin to approve your request. Public groups usually let you instantly engage with the community. Once accepted, explore posts, introduce yourself, and join conversations in the group. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.